Okay, now we're asked to write a polynomial function using given characteristics. This just means that you're gonna be given zeros. Zeros, our zeros for this are gonna be -2, 3, and 8 with a degree 3. So these are the characteristics of the polynomial function, right? Well, this is what you're gonna do. It's pretty straightforward. You're just gonna add. You're gonna open a parenthesis. You're gonna write this x. Then you're gonna take the first zero, and you're gonna switch the sign. Yeah. Switch from negative to positive. X plus 2. Then you're gonna switch from positive to negative. X minus 3. Then x minus 8. That's it. So now, as you see, here's your 2, your 3, your 8. Now, it says here that it's degree 3, and indeed it is, because this is a degree 1, and a degree 1, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. And there you have it. Now, normally you'd have to multiply these terms, FOIL them, and then you multiply them and you get this: f of x equals x cubed minus 8x squared minus 9x plus 72. So now that you have that, well, you would look for it in your options, right? But it would take you about 10 minutes to multiply everything. Maybe well less if you know your stuff, but if you're watching this video, then you don't. So you don't have the time, you don't want to do that, then just take out your graphing calculator. So you take out your graphing calculator and you are going to graph this. You're going to input this in the y. So y equals x plus 2, x minus 3, and x minus 8. And then you're going to go down to y2, and you are going to start inputting your options. You're going to go with your first option, okay? And you're going to press graph. And if the graph looks different, well, that's a wrong answer, okay? It's wrong. So you're going to see this function in your options. So let's go ahead and plug it in. X cubed minus 8x squared minus 9x plus 72. Press graph. And there you have it. Didn't move at all. So that's your answer. And you didn't have to multiply or anything. Let's do another one. Alright. So we're given our zeros, which are -2, 0, and 4, with a degree 3. So what do you do here? Same as we did last time. X plus 2, x minus 4, and x. So we have all this, right? Have all this, and we know that this came here, this goes here, this is 0, because so there's nothing here. That's why it's just an x. So now we graph this, right? Let's go. Y, x plus 2, x minus 4, x, graph it. Then take a look at your options and start graphing your options. And eventually, you'll see that this function, f of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 8x is the same. It's the same graph. So that's your right answer right there. Let's go get another one. Last one. Stay with me. Don't get too bored. Okay. Let's see. Zeros. We have that our zeros are 7 with a multiplicity 1 and 4 with a multiplicity 2. Multiplicity is just the degree, so don't get scared when you see multiplicity. And we have a degree 3. Okay, so we're gonna want to write it as x minus 7, then x minus 4. You can see that here's our 7 and our 4. Now the multiplicity is 1, and here our multiplicity is 2, so we have to put a 2 here. So multiplicity 2, and 1 plus 2 equals 3, which is a degree. Yay! Now let's take out our calculator. Our calculator ready? So we plug in y equals x minus 7, x minus 4 squared, and then you just graph the options, and you will see that one of your options is going to give you the same graph, which in this case is f of x equals x cubed minus 15x squared plus 72x minus 112. So we graph that. We can see that they are all equal. Well, both of them are. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, subscribe, like, and don't overthink. And background music. And high five.